Nobody wants their PS5 account to be easily accessible, especially if you have kids at home. So let me quickly show you how you can stop auto login by locking your account using a PIN or passcode. To set up your password, we just need to go to settings. From there, go to users and accounts, go down to login settings. From here, you have to select require a PS5 login passcode. Now you just need to enter your passcode, and if you don't want to use the controller buttons, you can press the option button to switch to numpad. Now we will select our PIN, then we will need to confirm it. Now that the PIN is set, you need to enter the PIN before you can log in into your account. And for some reason, if you want to change the PIN or remove it, then you need to open the same settings page again. And from here, if you want to change the PIN, select change your PIN, enter your old one, and then set a new one. And if you want to delete it, just select delete your PS5 login passcode, enter your passcode, then press OK, and your passcode will be removed. And that's how simple it is to secure your PS5 account with a password. Hope you found this useful, and make sure to stay tuned for anything PS5.